That's an fermentation vessel. Cylindriconical fermentation vessel.
Cool.
And we've got 5.
Magic.
They are the 10 barrel. Effective volume is 1,637 litres.
No.
That's hot liquor tank. Which is 20 barrel.
Yeah,
To allow you to be able to do double brew days if you want to. CRP, clean in place.
Yeah.
So every vessel's got a spray ball in it
Yeah.
for the clean in place. One's heated and one's not. So
Cool.
one's for hot caustic, one's for rinsing.
Perfect.
Or using sanitation. Mash Lauter Tun. 10 barrel, 1,500 litre volume. And it's got Lauter Rakes in it.
Ah, yeah.
It's got rakes in it
Yeah.
rather than just. That's your grain auger.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the Kettle Whirlpool.
Yeah.
2,046 litres. It's 10 barrel. The Whirlpool is round here. So.
Gotcha.
That's like a hot rocket.
Yeah.
It's an infuser.
Yeah.
So we use Babcock Lanson VAP 250RR steam generator. I think it's 250 kilowatt.
Yeah.
Kerosene heated.
Yeah.
And there's water softener for it. Dosing tank. That's your water feed tank as well for it.
Very good, mate.
Heat exchanger. Yeah. So, and it's all electronically controlled that. So you see on here, your water transfer temperature from the heat exchangers on here.
Nice.
And all your temperatures for your kettle, mash tun, hot liquor tank are all on that.
Perfect.
And you can set alarms, so you can set a temperature and it'll alarm. There's your tank select, there's your alarm.
Ah, yeah.
That's it.
Cool.
So your tank select 3 there, set it on that to what temperature you want it to alarm off at, and it'll just buzz there on that set point reach.
Cool. Cool story.
That's your buffer tank for your chilling for your fermenters. So it's glycol, the fermenters are jacketed.
Yeah.
Obviously, the brewery, the HLT mash tun, well, the mash tun's heated, but it doesn't heat away. If you want to do step mashing, I suppose.
Right.
But that it could potentially be heated.
Yeah.
But the HLT in the kettle is steam jacketed, so that's what the steam from the steam generator heats there.
Gotcha.
That buffer tank is full of glycol, so when your fermenters ferment it, it gives off heat.
Yeah.
And you want to keep it around
Right.
19 degrees.
Yeah.
So that'll kick in to control the fermentation temperature.
Gotcha.
So that stays at 1.5. Yeah, and then when an FV needs it, when it gets to. So that buffer tank is chilled from this 10 kilowatt refrigeration unit out here. Out here. 10 kilowatt.
Oh, yeah, gotcha.
Yeah. So that's 10 kilowatt, and that buffer tank. So that chills the glycol in the buffer tank.
Nice.
And then when it ferments, it needs to be cold from the buffer.